There has been news doing the rounds about a metapneumovirus outbreak in China. Let me be very clear on that count. Metapneumovirus is like any other respiratory virus which causes a common cold. And in the very old and the very young, it could cause flu-like symptoms.
5 years after the COVID-19 pandemic, China is grappling with another virus surge. The human metapneumovirus is causing panic with hospitals overwhelmed by infections.
Human metapneumovirus is a viral infection that causes upper respiratory tract infections. It's not a new virus, it's a virus which has been with us even in our country for ages. In fact, a lot of viral illnesses that we see during monsoon or during winter, what we might just call a flu or just a viral fever, could be human metapneumovirus.
Now the alarm has reached India. Bengaluru has reported 2 cases, an infant just 3 months old and another 8-month-old boy, both detected with HMPV. Doctors confirmed that these are the first known cases in the country, sparking concerns about its potential spread. According to sources in the BDMP Health Department, the infant and their family had no recent travel history and showed no concerning symptoms. The 3-month-old female infant with a history of bronchopneumonia tested positive for HMPV after being admitted to a hospital in Bengaluru. She has since been discharged and is recovering, the Union Health Ministry said.
Like a lot of upper respiratory tract infections, viral infections tend to be severe in children, especially in kids who are less than 6 months of age, and in elderly, especially those who might have underlying diseases like an uncontrolled diabetes or an underlying lung condition. We do not really have all the information from China. We really don't need to panic, but we need to be alert.
The human metapneumovirus was first discovered in the Netherlands in 2001, but its origin traced back to animals in China. Today, it's making global headlines again as northern China grapples with the surge in cases, overwhelming hospitals.
Usually for viral illnesses, we wouldn't even test most of the individuals, right? When we get a fever or cough, we never go out testing. But now that we are on watch out for a viral illness, the different governments, both at district or state levels, will decide what they want to do as surveillance just to get a real sense of what are the viruses that they're seeing.
So, what is HMPV? It's a respiratory virus that causes flu-like symptoms such as cough, fever, and nasal congestion. The most vulnerable groups include infants, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. The virus can spread rapidly, especially in crowded environments, just like we saw during the COVID-19 pandemic. Unlike COVID-19, HMPV isn't new. Discovered in 2001, it's a seasonal virus peaking in winter and early spring. There's no vaccine yet, but experts say it's manageable with precautions like hygiene and avoiding contact if you're unwell.
The most important thing is to first understand that it's not an outbreak yet. Okay, we've only seen a few cases across the country, and we are not calling it an outbreak yet. But we are seeing outbreaks of viral illnesses because it's the winter. And for just like all viral illnesses, the most important thing is to break the chain of transmission. And to break the chain of transmission, those who have symptoms with cold, cough, fever should stay at home.
Preventive measures like wearing masks, hand washing, and avoiding crowded places remain crucial.
Just like COVID, we realized that stopping flights or lockdowns really do not help anything. They only cause more economic damage and just create a state of fear and panic. So stopping flights is not at all required. If a virus was to reach India, it might not come on the flight from China, it could come from any other country. What's more important is step up our surveillance and understand and avoid misinformation, avoid people from forwarding messages that cause a state of panic. And I think we should be able to take care. We are much better prepared than what we were 5 years ago. So even if an outbreak was to happen, we are the healthcare infrastructure in the country at different levels is very well prepared, both for testing and for management and for hospitals.
A report has come out that this is the first case of HMPV in India, which is not true, because HMPV is an existing virus and a certain percentage of people do get affected by this virus, and it is not something new.
The Indian government is keeping a close watch on the rising cases globally, particularly after reports of a surge in China. Several states, including Delhi, Maharashtra and Telangana, have issued advisories to enhance preparedness for potential outbreaks of HMPV and other respiratory viruses. Follow Mojo Story for more updates.